Hey everyone, welcome to English Reading and Composition. My name is Jessica Turney. I'm going to be your instructor this semester. I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you. So before we start, I want to share a little bit about myself in hopes that you'll get to know me a little bit. So I also started at City College. I went to Fresno City, and I then transferred to Fresno State and got my bachelor's in English, and I got a minor in creative writing. After graduating, I worked for about a year and then decided to move to Barcelona, Spain. And I taught English as a second language there for a year and a half. And it was a very, very wonderful experience. Very beautiful city. But I decided to come back to the States to get my master's in creative writing. And I did this again at Fresno State. I got my MFA in poetry. And so I also love to write, specifically poetry. I love to read poetry, and more than just the genre of poetry. But while I was a student at Fresno State in the MFA program, I also was a teaching associate, which was kind of very scary for me, teaching college classes, but I really, really fell in love with teaching, which it did lead me to teaching at Fresno City College. So now I get to teach you guys, and it's been a really great experience so far. So that's a little bit about me. Other than that, I live in Fresno, and I have two cats that I love very much, Mumu and Zuki, both gray tabbies. And you might see them eventually, like sometimes when I do other videos for you guys, strolling across my screen. So anyway, I look forward to getting to know you. I look forward to our semester together, and good luck.